Tinkergineering. Today we're here with a back to school episode. What we are making today is we are making a super cool, super awesome, drum roll please, tape dispenser decorations! Woohoo! Yes. So, yeah, let's get right on into the craft. Boop. What you'll need to make this craft is scissors, a marking tool, I'm using a Sharpie, tape, I'm using Scotch Tape 3M, and it is the refill one, so you can refill it. Some type of paper. You can use like craft paper, you can make your own design on paper, you can print out designs, you can use like scrapbook paper, you can use any type of paper. Alright, so I'm going to take this Scotch Tape, in which you may not have known that it says refill, so you can refill it with tape, which is really cool. So now I know it's meant to be taken apart. It's not like I'm just being weird and ripping it apart and like, so that's good. That's really good. So it's 3M Scotch, and I think this tape is really awesome. It works very well. All right, so now to get this apart, you kind of want to wiggle it. You want to make sure not to snap it. Do you see how it's kind of coming apart there? You just want to kind of wiggle it. And then once it kind of is coming apart, boom. All right, so now you're going to use this sign, as a little stencil. So this little stencil, hello, little stencil. All right, goodbye, tape things. So I'm gonna use this stencil as a stencil, yeah. So I'm gonna take my paper, and I'm just going to lay this on the paper, and I'm going to trace it. So I'm tracing it, so we'll have a little, once again, I'm using it as a stencil. Guys, count how many times I say stencil in this video. All right, all done. So now, boom, we got a thing to decorate with. Now I'm just going to cut it out. Cutting. So guys, if you want to have it cover both sides, like this one and this one, you're gonna want to make two of them. So I'm gonna make two. All right, so I'm cutting out what I used to make the stencil. What I traced out from the stencil. See guys, I'm saying stencil way too much. Way too much. It bounced. Did you guys see that? All right, now to cut out the hole, you kind of just want to fold the paper just a little and make a little snip. Hold on. See, I got a little snip right there. So now, if you want to, you can use this as a stencil if you lose this after you cut it. But you don't really need to. So stencils are very important, we've learned today, apparently. All right, so now I've finished, and I have a lot of mess here. So now, ooh, that's so cool. If you guys can see, it says Tinkergineering all over it. It's really cool. All right, now I'm just gonna make another one for the other side. All Alright guys, I finished the second one. So, as you guys can see right here, done. Alright, so now I'm just going to pop it in the container. Alright guys, I messed up. I cut them both from the same side. What's the point of that? Oh, I'll just have to right now. Alright, I'm gonna recut it really quickly. Let's go! Alright, now I'm gonna pop them together. And guys, check that out. Check it out. Check it out. So cool. It's school supplies! Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching this cute little video with the cute stencil. Stencil. I said that way too many times. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to Tinkergineering. We would really like that. And yeah, see you next time. Bye!